my channel, Magically Living Life. It is super windy here, so if you hear a lot of like crickly noises in the background, that's the tree branches blowing out there, moving all the leaves around. It's super windy. Today we are making homemade honey. It has a touch of honey in it, bread rolls. These rolls are so good. They really don't last a full 2 days in my house. I'm actually making them for dinner tonight, so I know they'll get ate up tonight, and then whatever didn't get done tonight we'll probably finish up tomorrow. So I'm going to show you real quick the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and we'll get started making them. Here's everything you're going to need. So you're definitely going to need a bowl to mix this. You're going to need 1 cup of whole milk. What you want to do with your milk is you want to get it somewhat lukewarm. You want it warm enough to activate the yeast, but you don't want it too warm that it cooks your yeast. You just want it lukewarm. You need 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1/3 cup or 70 grams of unsalted butter. You're going to combine all this, and this is going to give you a yummy, amazing bread roll. It looks like it's pretty good and ready to rise or sit in the bowl so it can rise. One of the things you want to do to test your dough to make sure that it's done kneading is take a piece and you kind of want to start pulling, and if you're able to pull it and get a nice stretch without it breaking apart or tearing, meaning you're able to kind of like pull it and see through it, then you know that you've got a good knead on it. If it's ripping and it looks dry, then you might want to give it a little more time on the kneading. Okay, but I pull, fold, and turn. Okay, so that's the technique that I use, and then I just kind of create a ball, put it under, bring it together, this, roll it, and I get this nice little dough ball. I've already got my glass bowl oiled. Kind of put it in there, give it a nice little bath, guys. Pick it up, flip it. Okay, and I'm gonna cover this nice little ball here for, I don't know, maybe about 45 minutes. I'll check it in 45 minutes. I'm gonna cover it with a towel, stick it in a warm spot, and let it rise, and it should double in size. What I'm doing here is I'm taking a square, smushing it down, okay? And then I'm taking each corner and bringing it in like this. And I'm kind of pinching it, almost like a garlic. And then I'm flipping it over and rolling it. And I'm cupping it. I'm not smashing it, I'm kind of cupping it and just rolling it. And by doing so, I get this nice pillowy roll. And then I'm just over here, I'm putting it in my baking pan. There they are, guys. This is how they look. So I am going to let these rise for about an hour. I did put some oil in my pan because as they rise, they're going to begin to touch these edges. So I want to make sure that these are oiled pretty well. I'm gonna let these rise. I'm gonna let them double in size, probably about an hour. I'm gonna keep an eye on them. The glass pan that I'm using is 11.5 by 8. You can use a 10 by 7. I wouldn't go any higher than 11.5 by 8. That's just me because you want these to rise up. So rather than spread out. But I'm gonna put a cover on these and let these rise and double in size. And then we'll put a egg coating on top and get these in the oven. They're all done. They came out super flaky, and we're gonna try some. That honey is what makes these rolls. That 3 tablespoons of honey. And the bottoms look really nice too. It's buttery. It's good. Guys, I will leave the link down below to this recipe if you give it a shot. Let me know down in the comment section, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can DM me over there and let me know if you tried this recipe. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by at Magically Living Life today. So till next time, y'all have a magical day and a magical week, and I will see y'all later. Bye guys, take care. I'm gonna eat the rest of that.